What is happening, everybody? Josh here from Spawn Fly Fish, and it's been a while since we did a product showcase, and we are here to showcase a product that has been growing rapidly in popularity. The Half Grizzly saddle from Hareline is a must-have for those tyers out there looking for a usable feather with a wide range of uses. So, one of our hypotheses on why this has grown so rapidly in popularity is our inability to stock some of these historical feather packs like a bugger pack from Whiting Farms that we love, but we have not been able to get our hands on, especially in this array of colors. So not only can you tie buggers, but you're going to be able to get one of these packs and tie a huge array of flies. As you can see in front of us, you're going to get a large selection of both length and width in the feathers. So that's very important when you're talking about everything that you can get out of this pack. And as you can see, the lengths vary as well. So everything from nymphs and dry flies to streamers and long tails for your big flies, for whether it's salmon, steelhead, muskie, bass, you name it, that's going to be a big option for you. As you can see, again, I'll pull this back up, but the feather count is something that we get asked a lot. What is the feather count? So these are grade 2 or tyers grade, so there's going to be a large feather count in these. As you can see, we're not going to have the ability to go through and count every single one. They do vary, but as you can tell, this is a large amount of feathers, especially for this price point. So if you were looking for a pack of feathers that's going to cover a huge range, whether it's woolly boogers, nymphs, dry flies, streamers, this is it. This isn't going to be a one size for one fly, but rather it's going to cover a huge range of flies. So keep that in mind when you're buying it. But if you want a pack of maybe some more vibrant feathers, but you don't know what you're going to do with it, you're going to want to tie some streamers, you're going to want to tie some nymphs, you're going to want to add some hackle here and there to big and small flies, this is going to be a perfect option for you. Last thing, they do have it in bleached. It's not a vibrant color, but it is one that's very sought after. Just wanted to highlight that right here. And if there's anything else, leave it in the comment section below. I'll be sure to answer it. These are in stock. The supply is good. We have them ready to rock and roll. Get your feathers, tie up some flies, whether it's a woolly booger or anything in your wildest imagination. Use some of these grizzly half saddles. See you next time.